The bears are everywhere at Dalal Street. Haunting investors' sentiments are the total FII selling, which has crossed over 1 lakh crore this calendar year 2025. Trump's tariff threat continues to be the front pages. US President Donald Trump has signed an executive order imposing a 25% tariff on steel and aluminum imports with no exceptions or exemptions, set to take effect on 4th March. The US gets most of its steel from Canada, Brazil, Mexico, and South Korea. The street still continues to take a glass-half-full approach to Trump's latest tariff threats. Indian investors now keep a close eye on Prime Minister Modi's travel to the United States, where he will hold talks with President Donald Trump to enhance India-US cooperation. The discussions with President Trump will focus on supply chain resilience, trade, technology, energy, and defense. The attention will also be on US inflation data, with the US CPI, retail inflation, to trickle in this Wednesday, 12th February, and the PPI, wholesale inflation, on Thursday, 13th February. The big question: what next for benchmark Nifty? Caution will continue to be the buzzword, with downside risk seen below Nifty 23,000. Any intraday recovery could simply turn to dust. Market trends. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4486 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 4002 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating consolidation on the daily charts. FNO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 14.87 levels. At last check, USD INR was witnessing some profit booking, now at 86.96. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 1.00 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.74. Nifty outlook, upside is likely to be capped. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23072. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,787 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22750 and 23250. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 49403. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen at 48,888 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,000 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,500 and 49900. Bias for the day is negative. Need to know. Nifty witnessed a dismal trading session in yesterday's trade, where the benchmark just tumbled and all sectoral indices ended deep in red as investors scrambled for safety. Amidst this backdrop, expect Nifty to continue to trade with volatility. Nifty is down to 42% this calendar year 2025. Nifty got a rough start this 2025, and the negative takeaway is that Nifty is still way 12% down from its all-time high at 26,277.35, which it hit in September 2024. Technically, confirmation of strength only above Nifty's biggest hurdles at 24,046 mark, which is also the benchmark's 200 DMA. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today. HAL, Siemens, PFC, Muthoot Finance, RVNL, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge, Jubilant Foods, Godrej Industries. Vodafone Idea Q3 results: net loss narrows marginally to 6,609 crore rupees, ARPU rises to rupees 173.